So it is sort of a surprise coming up here, and something I noticed yesterday is that it almost looks like there's no entrance to the hive. Right? It almost looks like that. But there is a gap. You can see this little gap, and they are apparently quite happy coming in and out of it. I think we've actually got something almost like 2 generations of them now. Because it does look like the one that just flew out is recently hatched. And you can definitely see some size differentials in there. And there might not be an actual difference in the generations. It could just be that they are same generation but slightly apart. But all appears to be well, which is nice. It's nice to see. Oh, one's just landed in my hair. Hello. Aren't they amazing? Oh, it just brings me joy. Yeah, the relative size of them is impressive. Wow, the amount coming out now